Have you ever wondered if the US Navy could make an entire ship disappear? Welcome to the Enigma of the Philadelphia Experiment, a tale of science, mystery, and possibly the bending of reality as we know it. This story begins in the stormy heights of World War II in the year 1943. Picture this: the USS Eldridge, a naval destroyer escort, docked at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. Its crew members are oblivious to the extraordinary event they're about to be part of. So what is this experiment all about? The rumors, the whispers, the hush-hush conversations all point to one thing: invisibility. Not just any invisibility, but a kind of invisibility that would leave the world's most powerful radars useless. A kind of invisibility that would make one of the US Navy's most formidable vessels, the USS Eldridge, disappear into thin air. But the story doesn't end there. The vanishing act was just the first part. After achieving this feat of invisibility, the USS Eldridge allegedly didn't just reappear in the same spot. No, it is said to have teleported over 200 miles in the blink of an eye from Philadelphia to Norfolk, Virginia. Imagine the strategic advantage such a power would confer. The ability to move warships undetected and instantaneously across vast distances. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? Yet, these are the claims that surround the Philadelphia experiment. So we're left with a question that's as captivating as it is confounding. Did the US Navy, in the throes of World War II, unlock the secrets of invisibility and teleportation? Did they conduct an experiment so revolutionary, so against the grain of what we understand about physics, that it's been shrouded in mystery and skepticism for over 80 years? But could this really have happened? Could the US Navy have unlocked the secrets of invisibility and teleportation? Hold on to that thought, because we're just getting started. The enigma of the Philadelphia experiment is far from being unraveled. To understand the plausibility of the Philadelphia experiment, we need to dive into the science behind it. Let's embark on a thought-provoking journey, shall we? At the heart of this mystery lies a concept from Einstein's unified field theory. This theory, in essence, aims to merge the forces of gravity and electromagnetism. It's claimed that the Philadelphia experiment used this theory to bend light and space, effectively rendering the USS Eldridge, a naval warship, invisible and even teleporting it. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's take a peek into the world of quantum physics. Quantum teleportation, a concept not to be confused with the teleportation we see in sci-fi movies, is a process where information about a quantum state is instantaneously transferred from one particle to another. Now, if we could scale this up to the size of a warship, we'd be onto something. But alas, we're not quite there yet. In fact, we're light years away. Furthermore, the concept of bending light and space is also intriguing. We know that light can be bent by gravity, a phenomenon validated by Einstein's theory of general relativity. However, bending light and space to such an extent that an entire ship disappears from sight and then reappears in a completely different location is, quite frankly, beyond our current scientific understanding and capabilities. But let's not dismiss these theories entirely. They push the boundaries of our knowledge and invite us to explore and question. They embody the spirit of scientific inquiry. However, we must also recognize the challenges and limitations. The unified field theory remains unproven and incomplete. Quantum teleportation is currently limited to particles, not massive ships or humans, and bending light and space to the extent claimed in the Philadelphia experiment is, at this point, in the realm of science fiction rather than science fact. So the science doesn't quite add up, but if the Philadelphia experiment didn't happen, where did the story come from? Every legend has an origin. The Philadelphia experiment is no exception. Our journey into the cradle of this tale takes us back to the mid-20th century. The Second World War had ended, and the world was in the grip of a science fiction boom. Amidst this backdrop, an intriguing character enters our story: Morris K. Jessup, an amateur astronomer and science fiction writer. Jessup penned a book titled The Case for the UFO, where he pondered the scientific principles that might power extraterrestrial spacecraft. In January of 1956, Jessup received a letter from a certain Carlos Miguel Allende, who claimed to have witnessed a secret World War II experiment at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. According to Allende, the US Navy had succeeded in rendering the USS Eldridge, a naval destroyer escort, invisible to radar and human eyes alike, even teleporting it from Philadelphia to Norfolk, Virginia, and back again. Allende cited Einstein's unified field theory as the scientific basis for these extraordinary events. These explosive claims caught Jessup's attention. In a twist worthy of a science fiction novel, Allende's letters ended up in the hands of the US Navy and sparked an internal investigation. The Navy found no evidence to support Allende's claims, and many dismissed the letters as a hoax, but the story had already taken on a life of its own. The Philadelphia experiment, as it came to be known, has since been the subject of books, documentaries, and films. It's inspired countless conspiracy theories and has become a staple of UFO lore. Many believe the experiment to be a cover-up of an advanced technological breakthrough, while skeptics argue it's nothing more than a piece of science fiction that escaped the confines of the page. So, the Philadelphia experiment may be more fiction than fact, but it's a story that continues to captivate us. Even if the Philadelphia experiment is a myth, it makes us question the boundaries of what's possible. As we delve into the depths of the unknown, we are often inspired by the tales that seem too fantastical to be real. The Philadelphia experiment, while possibly no more than an elaborate urban legend, has sparked countless discussions and has found a firm foothold in the realms of popular culture and science fiction. This tale of teleportation and time travel, whether real or not, encourages us to push the envelope, to question the status quo, and to never stop exploring the mysteries of science. What if, one day, we could bend the rules of our reality as the Philadelphia experiment suggested? The mere thought of it is enough to ignite the flame of curiosity within us. So let's keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Remember, sometimes the journey to debunk a myth can lead to real discoveries. Subscribe to our channel for more intriguing explorations into the mysteries of our world.